Hey guys, I just want to get on real quick and I wanted to talk to you in a little bit more detail about the PMO Maturity Model. So let's think about this for a sec. Why do you need a PMO Maturity Model? Well, PMO Maturity Models are based on one conversation. Where are we today and where do we want to go? Okay? And so there's really two big components of a maturity model. There's categories, so business value, customer satisfaction, governance, organization, scope, resources, budget, time. And these categories can be whatever you want them to be. And then there's measurements or scoring, okay? And what you currently have is a future state and a current state, and you look at the differences between. So I'm at a 1 at, let's say governance, I'm at a 1, and I want to move to a 3. I'm at a 2, or I'm at a 2 here for scope, or 2.5 for scope, and I want to move to 4.5. Right? So this maturity model really allows and drives the conversations of where you are and where you want to go to. And there's nothing more important of understanding the assessment of where you are from a PMO and where you want to go to, and having that conversation with your executives. Hey, if you want to move from a 2 to a 4, I'm going to need people. Or actually, you know what? We're at a 3 right now, and we're 100% comfortable with that 3. We don't need to move to 4 or 5. So when you build a maturity model and you have that conversation around the categories and the scoring, what you do is you get out of the trap of saying, my PMO is a 3, my PMO is a 5, my PMO is a 2. Because you don't want to do that. You don't want to classify your big organization and all the things that you're doing at a certain number. You want to say I'm a 2 here, a 3 here, and a 4 there. Again, I've documented all this in my book, The PMO Lifecycle, Building, Running, and Shutting Down. I've got articles, I've got lots of stuff on that. Highly recommend you checking that out, but I wanted to just spend a minute or so and get you looking at that and making sure you're tracking and making sure that makes sense. Thank you all. Have a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe below. My name is Bill Dow. Thank you for your time. I'll talk to you soon.